World, and today I'm going to teach you how to do a ripstick. I don't have an Untitled Waveboard, I have a ripstick, so I'll teach you how to do a ripstick.
You have to explain what all is this. Show it closer.
Yeah. So guys, see. This is where you have to put your front foot.
What it
This is your back foot. This is a ripstick.
Okay, go back a little and show me all the wheels and all those about it. Explain
The
a little.
wheels are back here. It's kind of like a skateboard, but with two wheels. These are the brakes.
Okay.
Pro guy uses brakes. I don't know how to still.
Okay. What else?
But that's actually not needed much.
Okay. What
Wait,
else
wait.
you want to show?
This is the middle part, and that's mostly it.
And how does it work?
It works by moving your back foot in a wave.
Okay. Kind of
Super
waveboard.
quickly. Like, yeah, kind of like a waveboard. But
Okay.
this is a ripstick.
First show how. Just demonstrate how it works, and then you can teach. Right?
I'll do two demos. One with support, one without support. First I'll do it with support. That will be easier for you guys to understand. Where? Oh, here. Where do I do the support? Maybe
There only.
here?
That side only.
Here. I'll do it like this. This is the demo one with support. Demo 2 without support.
Take a full round at least.
What?
Okay. Can take a full round at least later on.
Okay. At the end also I'm going to show two these demos. So this is the demos. I'll show you the full demo at the end because that will make more sense. So I'll teach you how to ride it. That's one trick. So first, when this is down, I'm teaching you with support. Everyone will know. Just climb on it with support.
Okay.
But this is without support is hard. So I'm teaching you that way. You can ride anywhere, like this or like this. I usually ride like this, so I'll show you guys like this. I keep my front foot. You have to keep your front foot first and keep your other foot down. I'm just explaining.
Okay.
And when you do that, when your front foot is on here and your other foot is down, push with other foot and get some momentum. When you get that, put your foot quickly, then move your back foot in a wave. And I'll explain that in detail. The second part, this is brief, then I'll explain in detail full. This is just a brief. So second part is a turn. A turn is like this. When you rotate your foot in a wave, it goes right, left. So in this case, if you want to turn right, that is that direction, put your back foot in left and your front foot in right. So whatever your front foot direction is, the opposite direction should be your back foot, like this. My front foot is going to the right, my back foot is going to the left, and it turns right. Left is the opposite. Put your front foot to the left, back foot to the right. It will turn left. Stopping is the easiest part. Just jump off the board.
Okay.
Now I'll explain from beginning again, brief, with demo. So, first you have to put your front foot, and it doesn't matter which side you are on. First you have to put your front foot, then get some momentum, put your back foot, and then move the back foot in a wave. See, I am moving it in a wave. Wait, I'll come turn. My back foot is in a wave. Now this I am explaining the turn. See, here I want to turn the left. So I will put my right foot, the front foot I will put my front foot to the left side of mine and my back foot to the right. I turn left. Suppose if I want to go to the right, it's the opposite. I will put my right foot, I will put my front foot. Wait. I will put my front foot to the right and put my back foot to the left. And it turns. This is the last part, the stop. Once you have learned these, once you have mastered this is the easiest step. Do this. That's it. So, this, I'll show you again demo with support and without support. I'll show you again. This is with support, demo 1. Without support, demo 2. And this is the last key point. When you are getting on with support or without support, remember always your foot should not be too front or too back. It should be in the center. Just like when I was doing without support now, my foot was here. So when it was here, I was losing balance. So you can just little small hop and then get it to the correct position. But remember this also, when you're doing the small hop, don't do it in low speed, you'll fall. And I would recommend first start with support. Then when you're mastered with support, try to do without support. That's what I recommend.
Okay. Do I need to know skateboard before doing waveboard?
You can, but actually it doesn't really matter.
Uh-huh.
It doesn't really matter.
So I can straight away start with the waveboard?
Yeah, this was my incident. I learned skateboard and then I actually was not doing it since a long time, so I forgot it. Means I don't know the tricks, but I know how to ride it. I had known so many tricks, but now I don't know them. So kind of means I don't know skateboard now. That kind of means that.
Okay. What about new person? He is so scared looking at this. I'm going to say he might fall, and then anything you have.
That's why I recommend doing with support.
Okay, but still, I'm going to say if you hop on it, and if the person is not able to move his legs or something, anything you want to recommend, please?
Yeah, actually, and I recommend wearing a helmet, but I don't have one. Because I'm a pro.
Yeah, I know you're a pro.
Everyone knows that. And by the way, I put so much effort in this. I learned this within 3 days.
Yeah, so actually a person can learn in 3 days, right? If they want to do that?
Yeah, if they are interested, then only. I was like every single day between my online school also. I used to do it.
So
remember?
So yeah, how many hours you did practice?
When I got a 30-minute break or kind of recess, I used to do it. That entire time, in the terrace.
And even after the school, you're doing almost whole day?
Yes, half a day, mostly you can say.
Okay. I'm still confused on how to get on. I'm a bit scared. How do I'm going to say it looks so scary. There are only two wheels.
Yeah, but you will get a hang on it.
You want to explain once again, please? If I'm a left-hander or a right-hander, how do I do it? Lefty or righty?
I am right-hander. Left-hander has to do like this.
So lefty. So whichever foot is comfortable, is that okay?
Yeah,
How?
but front foot, without support, you have to put front foot. Like, you can't do like this. I cannot do it.
Okay.
I cannot do it. So, without support, you have to put your front foot, then give momentum, and then put your other foot. And I recommend wearing a helmet. And if you want to be extra safe, wear those patches on your knees and arms.
Yeah, so that is knee guard and your elbow guards, right?
Yeah, I'll tell you why. Because a beginner, when they try to do this, they will not do it and usually fall forward or backward. And when I did that, I got hurt.
Okay.
Little bit, not too much.
Okay.
So that's why I recommend that. But if you want to be extra safe, wear those patches. Elbow. Elbow. What do you call that?
That guards basically.
Guards. Yeah, guards.
So.
But I just recommend a helmet. That will be fine.
Okay. So when you put the back foot in front, front foot. Yeah, like this.
Yeah, you can't put it here or here.
Okay, come closer a little, please. Okay.
If you put it here or here, you'll lose balance without even putting the other foot. See, you'll automatically lose balance. So it should be balanced and kept in the center. That is the most space.
And the other leg I have to put right in the middle, right here.
Other leg also same. But if if you got it somewhere here, no problem. Go do little. When you get little speed, hop, and make it to the center.
Okay.
Usually little jumps. I'll do that also demo once. So see this. See my foot? It's not at the right place. See it closely. See my foot? It's not at the right place. So I will get little speed. I will do little slowly. And when I have little speed like this, when I have speed, see my leg, it's not perfect. And I have speed. Hop. And then it's at the perfect place. Now I can ride easily. So that's also one thing. That's also one keynote that you have to learn.
So I can take round clockwise or anti-clockwise both ways?
Yeah. If you want to do right, put your front foot in the right side, back foot in the left side. And if you want to go left, then put your front foot in the left, back foot in the right.
Okay, can we make a 8 while driving? While riding 8?
Yeah, you can, no problem.
That
Just
will
switch
give you...
foots like this. Switch.
No, full 8 and then that'll give you a lot of practice.
Yeah, if you do 8, you'll get practice, but you'll usually lose speed.
Yeah.
That.
You want to try that?
Yeah, I've never tried that there. I can do this.
Make a full 8 while riding.
Yeah, I've never tried that. And sometimes you just might get lucky and get your foot in the right place automatically. I've never tried it, but
Give it a try.
you usually lose speed. Yeah, you usually lose speed. Oh. Yeah, you lose speed while doing turn.
Yeah, you can make a bigger 8. Then you will not lose speed.
Yeah, if you make a bigger 8, you can move your back leg little.
Yeah, I think that will
So
give
you
more
might
practice.
maintain your speed.
That will give you more practice.
But I already have so much practice. And this is one trick. These are 2 tricks I learned automatically, like while I was riding. One trick I saw, and second trick I just know it. The first trick is this. See. This is my first trick. I'll explain you what's happening here. You have put your legs in such a way that the board is going straight, but the board mouth is facing a different way. That's one trick, and I will give you a second video for that, learning how to do tricks.
Okay.
After I learn all of them, because this is only the one I know while riding. And this is the second trick. Ish. Just kidding. That's the second trick. So, any more demos? What?
No, I think it's good. Just you have to give more confidence to the users how they can try.
Yeah, there are different ways also how to do it. If you search on YouTube, you will get other videos that are little more detailed. But this is kind of a normal detail session of learning.
So
this is one key detail that you have to keep in mind. Keep your foot in the center.
And slowly push the other side, right?
Yeah, like this. See. Kind of hop.
Yeah.
Like this. How you hop.
Hmm.
So you can kind of get practice with your legs in moving wave by doing this.
Yeah, that's why it's called waveboard, or what is it called?
Waveboard or ripstick.
Ripstik.
Waveboard is this. One line, two connection, three connection.
Ah.
Ripstick is one connection.
Ripstik, I believe.
Ripstick.
Okay.
Ripstick.
How?
R-I-P.
Or R-I-P or I-B it should be, I believe.
No, R-I-P.
Okay.
Rip stick. S-T. K. No, I spelled it wrong.
Anyways, it's okay. So, yeah, just show one more final.
Final demo.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, my leg is not in the proper position. Let's speed and hop. Done. Now let's go.
And how fast can we go with this?
Now you can go blazing speed. Down when I ride it down in my road, I go like blazing like this. You saw how fast that was? This is usually how fast I go. Because I have learnt it so much. And the second way of getting off, one more thing. Second way of getting off. I would recommend this way, but I usually jump off just to show off my skills. But this is the most recommended way how to stop the board. Stop by doing this, or you can do it with the other leg. Like this. Like this. Yeah, so guys, I hope you liked our video and would learn with us. That would be nice. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell if you liked it. So guys, okay, so guys, bye. Let's meet you in the next video. Peace. Bye.